Hello, Albert. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Albert Monroy. I'm a mass communications senior with a concentration in broadcast.
Thank you. I'm going to ask you a set of questions of our clinical interview questionnaire, so let's begin.
Okay.
What do you think is an environmental change?
An environmental change would be like seasons, fall to winter to spring to summer.
Can changes in the environment affect any organisms?
Absolutely. I think humans can contribute a lot of pollution, waste that can kind of make it hard for animals that have lived in a specific area for a long time, make it harder for them to stay there, for example, like with construction, let's say.
What are some differences between long-term and short-term environmental changes?
I would say long-term would be what we're experiencing right now, which is kind of like the climate change that I guess the Earth is going through as the years continue. You know, it's slated to get hotter and hotter on the planet. A short-term change, I guess, would be like a drought or a heavy rain season, something like that.
I'm going to ask you another question. This question involves some pictures, so I'm going to ask you, what is a short-term environmental change? And I want you to point me out which one of these pictures you think is a short-term and why.
Okay. Let's see. I would say the volcano is a short-term environmental change.
And why is that in your word?
It just erupts. There's ash. There's lava or molten lava that comes out, and after that, it's just dormant. Environment just kind of comes back as it was. Trees come back. The people, I guess, that lived in an area like that, like we saw a volcano in Guatemala. People, come back.
I'm going to ask another question with another set of pictures. Says, what is a long-term environmental change? And you're going to point me out at which ones or which one, and you say why.
I would say the first one, which I assume is pollution, air pollution. The reason I think that is because air pollution contributes to, animal life. I would guess starving themselves of oxygen. It affects the ocean life. It affects plant life, human life, the ozone as well, with the increase of CO2 in the air. That's why I think that photo is a long-term environmental change.
Okay, this concludes our interview. Thank you so much for helping us out here.
No problem.
Thank you.